Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys had a great night as well. Just give me a second here, guys. Can you guys hear me perfectly well? Let me know if you guys can hear me. Um, t- t- um, all right. I took buys on GJ earlier today. Man, freaking played me twice. GJ played me twice today. So we'll see what he's trying to do come London session. Let's see what we have here. Good morning, Tony. Good morning, Fatboy Slim. Good morning, Van. Good morning, Abraham. Good morning, Diana. Good morning, Toya, Samita, Jeanette, Van, Jeep. Good morning, Brian. Oh, Super Data Wolf in the house. Good morning, Hamo Family Vlog. Good morning, Yvonne. Good morning, Danielle, Florine, the D Reactions. Good morning, everyone. Um, all right. Currently bullish on GJ. Um, been bullish on EJ since Asian session. So we'll see what happens here. So right now, buys above 162,500 should be nice on the GJ. All right. If we go here to EJ, EJ looks kind of tricky. We have our Asian highs right here, but then you have this New York session right here at 137,600. So buys above that and more buys above 137,900. But the thing is, do we have enough pip range if we do close above here? So we have about 20 to 25 pip range here, depending on how far we close above here in the 30-minute time frame. So buys above 137,600 here on EJ. AJ buys above 94,300 should be nice here. Buys above 94,300. And sells below 94,100. And let's take a look at GU. GU. GU sells below 118,900. We'll see what GU is gonna do here today. Buys above these New York highs here. Good morning, Super Data Wolf. DJ Dark Prince, good morning. Good morning, AJ. The Roots, good morning from South Africa. Nice, good morning. Good morning, Alex. I'm so mad at GJ, guys. So freaking mad. Got in on the 1 hour time frame. Got in on the 1 hour time frame. I was freaking 1 pip away from securing 10 pips, and then we had this freaking bearish candle. And right after that, look at what happened. Now we just need to break above this resistance that we've created here for us to continue pushing up. And if we have good enough buyers here, GG really should continue all the way up to 163,200 at least. So we'll see what he wants to do here. We'll see what he wants to do. We shall see what you want to do, GJ. I don't trade GBP CHF. I need runners today. I need runners.
This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines. You missing our playtime. Girl. Your beauty make them bow down. I need that body right now.
Good morning, everyone.
The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of
Good morning, Alikia.
Your beauty make 'em bow down. I need that body right now. Yeah. The love will never die down.
Yes, it is. Crypto trading.
So,
Yes, it
baby,
is.
don't you ever be afraid of fall in love with me. Let me be your parachute. Parachute. Let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. You and I, yeah. Hey, let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. You and I, you and I. And no matter how long it takes, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side. You know this. And no matter the ups and downs, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side forever. Yeah. Baby, don't you ever be afraid to fall in love with me. Let me be your parachute.
GU should continue dropping here.
One time out of 10, 6 past 7, 8, 9. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 10 times, won't you be mine? This love thing can take time. Yeah.
No, Rosberg, I didn't trade New York session yesterday. If I did, I would have taken EJ sales, EJ and GJ actually, but I didn't trade NY session yesterday. I'll be back, guys. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. You think CJ looks very clean? I think I have CJ here. Yes, he does. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for reminding me about CJ. I was looking at it earlier too, so we'll see. We'll see what happens with CJ. So what's going on here now is that GJ is now in this range. So if we break above, we should continue. If we do eventually break below, even though we've initially had a fake out here, we should actually continue. Let's look at the 1 hour time frame. Take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, so if we do eventually break below on the 30-minute or lower time frame, we should continue even back to the support here at 161,700. But I'm not taking any trades until London open. London open, that's when I'm gonna be taking my trades. No, I'm back. You guys can't see me? Uh, actually, the webinar is not until next weekend, but you guys can start locking in your spots now. If you type exclamation mark webinar, you guys are gonna get the link to lock in your spots. Or you can just go to the description. The link is down below in the description as well. And so let's do this real quick. I actually should have pinned it, but I forgot. And that's the link right there. Let me see if I can actually pin this. Alright, it's been pinned, and that's the link right there. Yeah, crypto core. If we do get a good setup on CJ, I'll take a look at it. So buys above this resistance on CJ should be nice. Even though CJ is not really a London session pair, but sometimes it will move down in London if it wants to. And that was what happened with CJ on Monday down in London. We got in with the VIP during Asian session and it just continued all the way to London. So maybe today will be one of those days again. We'll see. AJ is setting up nicely here. I was in AJ also actually, but I closed it. I closed it. So maybe I'll be getting another entry here, but not taking any trades until London open. Hi, sir, bro, eating that fufu. I wish. Chicken. My time zone is CST, but I'm not there right now. Super Daddy Wolf, I don't blame you. Now I wish I stayed in my AJ trade. Very funny. When this candle flipped bullish, I will be back in profit right now because my entry was when this previous 30-minute bullish candle flipped. That was where my entry was. That was around I think 10 p.m. Even GJ too wasn't was 2 pips away. AJ was like 3 pips away before he reversed. Same thing with GJ. That's well, that's how trading is. Even if you're looking to only get 10 pips and then move stops, take partials, sometimes you not even get that 10 pips.
Yeah. Oh, my
But
vibe on your
I'm still I'm still up for the week,
Oh,
so
my thought on your
I can't
Him
complain.
no make you
You
happy.
win some, you lose some.
No. Him no make you feel like I do. They both turning my way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to
If
me.
you're expecting
Oh.
to get into
Think I
this
got a
game
shot like a free
and you're
throw.
expecting to
Running
win
back like I'm
100% of the
Chico.
time,
Girl, you took my heart like a
you're
repo.
wasting your time. Because even the great
Diamonds in
setups
the clothes, not
that
even close.
you was so
Baby, there
confident
she
in that you
goes.
think is gonna play out,
Stuck in my
that setup might not
mind.
play out, and it's okay.
For you.
It didn't play out
Stuck
this
in my
time, but
mind.
next
Long
time
night.
it could play out the next time.
Of you.
Even if
Stuck
you
in my
take the same setup three
mind.
times in a row and you lose them 3 times in a row,
Stuck in my
keep going. It's the same setup, it just didn't work out. It's gonna work out eventually.
Did not see you last week. Told me you will make it up to me. Just wanted you closer, closer. Electric feel when you brush up on me. Oh, think I got
And
a
like I
shot like a
always
free
say,
throw. Red up in the game with no Chico.
whatever strategy you're using,
Repo.
you don't necessarily have to shoot for a very, very high win rate. If you have at least 60%, anything above 60% win rate,
Stuck in my
you're doing good.
mind.
You're a very, very good trader.
Anxiety.
60%
For
win
you.
rate,
Stuck in my mind.
you're a very
Long
good
night.
trader.
Thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God. Stuck in my
Regardless of
mind. Oh
what
my thoughts on your
anyone is trying to tell you,
mind. Things I would do
60% win
for
rate, you're
you.
doing good.
Stuck in my mind. Long night. Thinking of you. Stuck in my mind. Oh my God. Stuck in my mind. Oh my thoughts on your mind. Oh my vibe on your mind. Oh my thoughts on your mind.
Yeah, EJ needs to break
Oh
this
my vibe on
resistance
your
here,
mind.
which is the New
Oh my
York
thoughts on
highs.
your mind.
If you break the New York high, we should continue to the previous day to Thursday's, no, Wednesday's Asian session high. You like the old school hip hop, Madaleka? Oh yeah. I was saying I was looking at CJ earlier as well during Asian session, but it really didn't do anything, so I stayed away from that one. So AJ rejected this resistance here. Maybe we'll get a breakout when London session opens, break above or break below. Because the reason why I'm looking for sales below 94 100 right now is because if you look to the left here, we have resistance here. Price touched this same place, zone twice, and eventually broke it. Came down, we tested it again, created a support here. So we have resistance and support here. So if we do break below, price action wise, we absolutely need to come back down, retest this support, or eventually break and close above and come down to this next support, and who knows, maybe down to this support here. So we'll see what happens. And all this stuff I'm saying now, I'm gonna go in depth during the 2-day trading webinar. And it's also gonna be recorded as well, and so everyone can have access to it and watch it whenever you want. You guys can hear me? Oh, okay. Well, can you guys hear me now before I repeat what I just said earlier? All right. Did you guys hear what I said earlier? All right. Cool. All right. Cool. 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 All right. So, there will be there will be no need for you guys to keep messaging me if you can get the recorded version of the trade webinar. It's already going to be recorded, and after the second day, I'm going to put it in the private Discord server I made for the webinar, and you guys can, get access to it. All right, CJ. So we do have a resistance here on the 30 minute. Uh, we do have a resistance here down here on the 30 minute. Can see right here our price just kept on bouncing off this resistance, bouncing off resistance and support. So we got a resistance up here at 104,700. All right. This should be very good. We've created, price has rejected this support after it created resistance here to the left on CJ, resistance here, rejected multiple times here. You see all this weak rejection. Now we rejected here again. Now we're trying to break again. Now we do not know if we're eventually going to break below this support because this candle has not closed yet. So if we do break below this resistance turn support here, we should continue coming down back to this support, because look at this candle, we have just this clean traffic here to the left. So we should come down, we test this support as well, and who knows, maybe we could continue dropping as well. So we'll see what happens. We just need to wait for a breakout. We just need to wait for a breakout. Same thing with AJ. Resistance, 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 support. Break below, we should continue. Just ready to see what's gonna happen down in London, so we just gotta wait. Smash that like button, guys.
Too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in lake, we could jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Brian, if you're still here, if you're still watching, I just saw that you just locked in your spot for the webinar, but you did not join the you didn't join the Discord server for the trading webinar. You should have got a link after you secured your spot. But since you didn't do that, just send me your Discord username so I can add you to the webinar Discord server. So for those of you that are still trying to lock in your spot here, if you do, after you lock in your spot, you're gonna see a link. Make sure you click on that link and join the webinar Discord server. Because if you guys don't do that, then I'm gonna have to do it manually. No, it's not gonna be on your, it's not gonna be in your email. It's good. You're gonna see it right there on Stripe. After you made your payment, the next page you're gonna see is gonna say, is a thank you page, and that thank you page has the link in there as well. It has the Discord link as well. You just click on that link and you'll be redirected to Discord, and you can join the separate server, the private server. So GG just ranging here. Yeah, it's alright, Brian. I'm just gonna have to do it manually. You're welcome, Brian. Alex, EJ needs to break above 137,600. Even though we do have Asian highs here, but the Asian highs and the New York highs is too close. Like you don't have enough peep range, because right now we've already broken it. We've already broken above the Asian highs right now, but you got these New York highs here, because we could get up here to the New York highs and reject again, and EJ could fall. So you gotta wait for a breakout above these New York highs on EJ, and then you can execute. All right.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good, good. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so
Um,
nice. I can't help
Her name is Tyra Shante. That's her name.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling
Have I been trading other time frames too? I traded 30. I traded the 1 hour. Like I have entries on the 1 hour, sometimes on the 15 minute, but majority of the time my entries are always on the 30-minute time frame. But that doesn't mean if I see an entry on the H1 time frame, I'm not gonna take it. And the only time you'll see me trading on the 5-minute time frame is when I'm trading NAS 100. Aside from that, I do not trade on the 5-minute time frame. Alright, congratulations, Super Data Wolf. Alright, EJ is looking good. And EJ looking good too. Whoa. Alright, all JPY pairs is trying to go bullish. Alright. We got 4 more minutes here.
You repair my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why I got you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it all, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't need to help. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We
Yep, GJ
tried too
is
many
moving.
times. You got me feeling cool. You got me feeling blue. Something about you so see through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I? Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
Well, we got 1 more minute here, guys. See if we're gonna have an entry here, or if we're gonna have to keep waiting. No, AJ. Once I take it, I'll let you guys know. What the hell? Yep, I didn't have the time to take this. So I didn't take it yet, guys. I didn't take it yet.
Wanna go with
It moved too
confidence.
fast. I haven't taken it yet.
Wanna keep center, pass it on it. Take a trip on it. Wanna go, we can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know what want. When you tell me what want. When the neighbors yell turn down. We keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Roll back then rotation. Figure it's and just vision.
I wanted to pull back more before I take this. Uh, 20 pips. Mm, you caught it right before. Oh well, didn't take it yet. I missed the first entry that it gave, so I was waiting for it to pull back a little bit more, but I guess it's not going to do that. So yeah, just what EJ this candle is doing on EJ right now. That's what I'm expecting GJ to do, but it's not doing that. So AJ doing that. Look at CJ just did. So like GJ could do the same thing too because it's too soon, too early, too soon. Right at London Open, this thing could still pull back here before it start pushing up if it's going to do that. And who knows, it might just continue pushing up now. Um, if I do take it, um, my first TP is going to be right here for about 20 to 25 pips, and stop loss is going to be for about 20 pips. All right, calm down, calm down. I needed to calm down. Oh man. All right, GJ is not going to come down. Looks like it. Uh, all right, GJ is not going to come down. It's not looking like it right now. Who else got in? Anyone got in? Ah, it's too late for you to get in right now. If you're trying to get in this, you gotta wait for either this candle to pull back right now or just wait for some type of pullback. If you're not already in, there's nothing you can do. I'm not in yet. I didn't take it. Yeah, if you took it already, you've already got 10 pips out of this trade. it could still pull back before this 30-minute candle closes. It could still do that. If this candle flips on AJ, it should continue pushing up. Oh man, GJ does not want to pull back, man. And AJ here have enough big range. I mean EJ. What's my entry here? 7684. I mean EJ. Man, miss GJ. If you took GJ, very nice. Congratulations. Congratulations to you. What the hell? Where's this? Oh man. Damn, GG, if you took it, congratulations. Good job. Shit, TP smashed. Next TP for you is right here. If you still want, if you're still in it, if it's gonna continue. For me, I still gotta wait on mine. Okay, here. GJ did nice, and is now is rejecting. So waiting to see what CJ is gonna do here. Ready in EJ. I mean, yeah, EJ. So, EJ Popov, you're receiving feedbacks on my voice. Is that happening to anyone else? I'm not in CJ at the moment. I'm only in EJ. Only in EJ at the moment. GJ was the freaking nice trade. Very quick. 20 plus pip. Very quick. You could take CJ as well. If you're feeling good. You could take CJ as well. Man, I was just about to get in. So if it comes back to where this entry is gonna be, you could take the trade. Um, and stop loss on CJ is gonna be for about 15 pips here. Comes back to this entry.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. But your aura passed me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, like the bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me.
Um,
You got me
all right,
missing
I'll be back
sleep.
right back, guys. Gotta go use the restroom. EJ is still playing here, so I'll be right back.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. We only got this life, no guarantees. The stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. Whoa.
What happened to the music? I guess it finished playing. Uh, if GJ, if GJ should break above this resistance, which is currently rejecting off of now, that's another entry. So EJ completely broke out of this Asian highs. So we created a resistance here on GJ.
Finally don't get no. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a oh what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all
wasn't able to get on this CJ trade.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, we could jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline we made.
So I'm gonna take AJ as my second trade. Take AJ as my second trade. But not yet. Once I get in on AJ, I'll let you guys know.
Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a ride. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one. Since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many still
I'm in AJ.
let the flame burn down for a while.
That's it.
Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment.
I'm in AJ.
Give you a moment. Give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
It took buys. If you don't know that this is a buy, I don't know what to tell you.
Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment of me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I know you're hiding behind
That will be that
pretty
for
brown
today.
face. I see you climbing. Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, we could jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline we made.
Mm. Damn, EJ is freaking getting on my nerves, man. Uh, oh man, it's crazy. Are you guys still in GJ? Man, look at GJ go. Look at GJ go. Very, very nice. GJ eventually played nice. It's very, very nice with GJ here. Is it gonna break this resistance here at 162,800? That's the question. That's the question. If EJ breaks this resistance here, this New York session resistance, that would be really really be nice. That means we can have a runner. Same thing with AJ. If it breaks this resistance at 94.450, that's a runner as well. Possibly a runner. Even though I didn't take GJ, I'm gonna call it for the stream. Uh, so, congratulations for those of you that took GJ. We're still waiting on EJ. All right, guys. While we're still waiting for EJ and AJ here, so if you're looking for a good and reputable broker because your broker sucks, because they're charging you too much spread, too much commissions, I strongly recommend Anchor Trade. With Anchor Trade, you can either use the MT4 or MT5 platform, and with Anchor Trade, I have two account types here that I do recommend with Anchor Trade, which is the ECN and the ECN Plus. If you have less than $1,000, go with ECN, and if you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus. With Anchor Trade, their spread starts from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, and very good low commissions as well. And also, you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus with Anchor Trade, but if you do, make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200. But if you don't have to do that, then I recommend using the maximum leverage of 1 to 500, which is what I use in my own accounts as well. So if you're interested in getting started with Anchor Trade today, you guys can use my link down below in the description. All right. All right, come on, EJ, man. Um, tu- tu- tu. Brian, did you send me your username on Discord so I can add you to the trade webinar on Discord? All right, 10 pip smash on EJ. 10 pip smashed on EJ. You guys know what to do. Most stops to break even, and let the trade keep running. All right, let's see W's in the chart. And the W's in the chat you guys are gonna give me include the GJWs as well. Include the GJWs. So this guy is gonna be www.com. www.com. Send it to me on Discord. Send it to me on Discord, Ryan, so I can make sure I'm adding the right person. AJ is really tripping here. But anyways, let's update our trade journal. Um, GG and EJ. Um, 35, 600, 630. Thirty, 90, 4. Come on, AJ, come on. You sent it to me on Discord? Alright. Final TP on EJ, if it gets there, is for about 70 pips. But I'm looking to get 20 more pips here on EJ. Once I get 20 more pips, I'm gonna take another partials and probably probably let the rest run to TP. So, but my final TP is at 138,358 on EJ. So, CG looking nice. Should continue up. Why is AJ finding rejection up here? I need to see something real quick. Yeah, it should fill up all this week. If it's gonna reject at all, it should reject at this resistance, not right here. So we'll see. We'll see what it's trying to do here. We'll see what it's trying to do. Get me 200 likes, guys. Get me 200 likes. All right, Brian. I got it now. So I'm gonna add you to the webinar, to the trade webinar server on Discord. Um, and for those of you that said you're interested in the trade webinar, the link to lock in your spot is down below in the description, or you can just simply type exclamation mark webinar and you get the link and you can lock in your spot. But make sure you're part of Discord as well. All right, EJ, let's go. All right, Brian, you've been added.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down dirt, like the bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel caught in a midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. Yeah. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. What if transits
Ah,
going
no,
on to
Cal.
different places, different planets?
No, the
Watch your
webinar is
aura
not
pass
free.
me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home.
Come on, guys,
I
get me to 100
wonder,
likes.
can we trust the stars
At
above
least
to
100
let us
likes. I need
know?
at least 100 likes from you
Let
guys.
go. We only got this life. No guarantees the stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding by myself. No guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me. Leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to grow? Whoa.
Just meet once you type exclamation mark webinar. All you have to do after that is just click on the link. SL on what? On EJ? My SL right now is still at entry. In order for me to move my stop loss to entry here, I need EJ to break and close above this. Once we break and close above this resistance, then I can move my stop loss to profits. Uh, I'm blessed, Hector. I'm blessed. I'm good. I'm blessed to be alive, healthy. Yep, that's the link right there. Ten pips smashed on AJ. Let's go. Let's see those W's. 10 pips smashed on AJ. See those W's. Let's go. Smash that like button while you're at it. Give me those W's, www.com. Ooh, he's just pulling back. He's rejecting the resistance. GJ still running. Like you've already secured like what, 35 pips already on GJ, and if he breaks above this resistance, you can move your stop loss to entry, preferably to this low. If this candle, this bearish candle creates a low here, and we eventually break above this resistance, you can move your stop loss right at this low. Dating my trade journal. For the month, live stream for August. That's gonna take us to, wow, this month is looking good. 19 wins, 7 losses on the live streams. All right. All right, come on, EJ, give me that flip. AJ, continue. I need runners. I need runners from the both of you. I need runners from the both of you. EJ, AJ, GJ. Runners, runners, runners. Of course, self-made. I'm in trades, secured profits. Now just letting the trades do whatever they want to do. Come on, EJ, give me 20 more pips. Ah, no, Mohammed, I'm not asleep. Ah, self-made. You know I don't trade gold, self-made. Oh, GU about to break support. If you're looking to take more trades, there you have GU here below the support. Wait for the closures. CJ was nice. Well, we might get stopped out here on AJ. Currently rejecting resistance. uh, 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 uh. Oh, all right. Stopped out of AJ. This uptrend on AJ is crazy. High high, high low, high high, came down, broke it, created a high, low, created another high now, possibly trying to create another low. And who knows, maybe by the time we break above this new resistance, that's when it's really gonna freaking push up. CJ doing the same thing right now. So once GU breaks below this support, you can look for your entry. Well, I'm gonna see what EJ is gonna do here. Oh, GJ rejected too. So let's see what EJ is gonna do. The yen is very, 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 very weak. Looks like the euro is stronger. Yeah, Fat Boy Slim. Yeah, but that's it. Already stepped out of EJ. I mean AJ. Um, AJ rejecting this resistance. But I won't be trading New York session today. I don't like trading New York session on Fridays. The webinar, everything you can get from a one-on-one session. Everything you can get from a one-on-one mentorship session, that's what you're gonna get during this webinar. And there'll be room for Q&A as well. In-depth analysis, what you need to look for when you're actually finding your zones, from major zones to minor zones, entries, um, how to properly use supply and demand, especially on the 5 minute time frame. Supply and demand, which is nothing but a break and retest. That's all it is. That's going to be included. And there'll be room for Q&A. You can ask anything you want to ask as long as it's Forex related questions, and then I'll definitely answer them. Yeah, we're probably gonna get stopped out here too on EJ because he's really rejecting this resistance. Yeah, we broke the lows here. Now looking at this on the 5 minute, if we should break this previous high, looking at this on the 5 minute, we should break below this previous high here on the 5 minute. We're gonna get stopped out, no doubt. Because if we break that high, looking at this on the 5, the next zone is coming to is this previous resistance here, and it might reject there and continue going bullish. So right now I'm just waiting to see if this 5 minute is gonna break below this, and we might get stop out if we break below. Yeah, you can close it if you want because we're breaking below this right now. We're breaking below this resistance right now on the 5, so if that happens, we're gonna get stopped out, no doubt. Um, what made me choose those pairs? Because it works better for me, and I love how they move and the volatile pairs. They tend to get a lot of volume as well. That's why I stuck to them. Webinar will be 18 o'clock Eastern time. Hold on. Yes, yes, 18 o'clock Eastern time. That's 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yes, CJ also stopped out. GJ stopped out. You can actually close EJ. He's gonna stop us out. He's gonna stop. You can close out EJ if you want. He's gonna stop. There's no doubt about that. The way this is looking, gonna get stopped out.
Eh, yeah.
Welcome DS channel.
Oh, my vibe on your mind.
Yeah,
Oh, my throat on your mind.
the main candle.
Him no make you happy. No. Him no make you feel
New York
like
session.
I do.
The bullish continuation could
People's
continue.
turning my
So
way. Yeah. I can feel you warming up to me.
ooh,
Oh. Think I got a shot like a free throw. Ready to play the game with no cheat code. Girl, you took my
well,
heart like a repo.
all right, guys. Great session, guys.
All these other girls not even close. Something's telling me that she.
So, for those of you that are still, yeah, same here, Jay Smith. For those of you that are still interested in the webinar, link is right there in the description, and it's also pinned in the chart. And broker link, my broker link is also down below in the description. VIP signals is down below in the description as well. So, guys, I'm gonna end this stream now. God bless you all. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Same time, same session. Let's do this again. And let's continue killing it. Alright, let's continue killing it. It was not a bad week. Closed out the week in profit. So, not a bad week. Alright, guys. God bless you all. I'll see you guys on Monday.